case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1972 case heard by the District of Columbia Court of Appeals, Cheryl Sims and Herbert Dixon were involved in a car accident that led to a lawsuit. During the trial, Dixon claimed that Sims caused the accident by turning her car suddenly and without warning. On her part, Sims testified that she signaled her intention to turn right and was hit from behind by Dixon's car. In an attempt to prove her claim, Sims sought to admit 6 photographs of her car after the accident as evidence. The trial judge refused to admit the photographs because the photographer wasn't available to testify. However, upon appeal, the court ruled that the photographs should have been admitted as evidence. It was determined that the essential test of admissibility is whether the photographs accurately represent the facts portrayed, rather than requiring testimony from the photographer. The judge's insistence on having the photographer testify was found to be unnecessary. Consequently, the court reversed the decision and remanded the case for a new trial, stating that the photographs should have been admitted as evidence since the foundation was sufficient and the trial judge had improperly exercised their discretion in excluding them.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.